Okay, and then the last measure here is representing if the amount of fencing is 120 feet, then that means if you extend x this direction and x this direction, you have 120 minus 2x left for this horizontal direction. Okay, and so when you're looking at the area, you want to enclose 1,500 square feet of land. So this area is going to be 1,500. And so the equation that you wind up with is the area, which is x times 120 minus 2x, has to equal 1,500. So there's the equation that you're going to be using. And so now it's just a matter of solving. So if you solve this for x, you're going to get two values. Again, plugging it into your calculator and solving it is probably going to be an ideal method for doing that. Okay, so again, I'll just have to describe what the solutions are. So if I type what I just entered right there in, make sure that you explicitly identify that you're multiplying right here. If you just leave it as a parentheses, it might not read it, interpret it as multiplication. Okay, but when you enter those values, okay, you get the following. You get x to be 17.75 approximately, or x is 42.25 approximately. All right, so these are your two possibilities. If you look at this, if we test these into our equation here, if you have 17.75, okay, if we plug this in, so 17.75 for each of these, and what does that mean this length here would be? So if you took 120 and you subtracted 2 times 17.75, what you would get for this length would be an 84.5. Is that consistent with the problem? Why not? What's inconsistent about it? Well, because the school is only 70 feet, right? So if you had to extend this 84.5, then there'd be an opening right here, and it wouldn't actually enclose the space. So this one, even though, again, mathematically you come up with that value, it's extraneous to the problem itself. It doesn't fit within the confines of the original problem. So then when you test the 42.25 in, and you can test to see this one would be 35.5. Now it fits, it's consistent with that, and so these would be your dimensions here.